Hi everyone, so I just wanted to talk to you a bit about some of the benefits that adding fermented vegetables to your diet could have on your immune functions. So this came out of a large scale study, a recent study that was looking at what different elements of our diet could potentially have benefits for our immune functions. So this is a commonly asked question: what can we eat that can really make a difference to our immune system? So the outcome of this particular study was that there was only one really significant food group that made a big difference to our immune functions, a positive difference of course, and that was fermented foods. So that's all your fermented vegetables, for example, or dairy products, but like your sauerkraut, your kimchi, those kind of options. And it's just fascinating how this is having such a big influence, and the reason that is because it's influencing your gut health. So all the probiotics within these foods, which is the positive, the healthy bacteria, is then upping the bacteria in your gut, and in turn this is then having an influence on the balance of bacteria. And what we know from research is just fascinating, is that these bacteria can then have whole body effects to have positive influences on your immune function for one, as well as various other areas including your weight, your mental health, etc. So that is really something that you can embrace and do from home quite easily, just by adding some of these foods to your daily regimes. Obviously my top pick in terms of product in the blog is our immune support. So this is our product that contains some herbal ingredients including your nasturtium, your acerola cherry, which is high in vitamin C, but also your vitamin D and your zinc. So these are all nutrients which are also important for giving your immune system that well needed boost.